Hello everyone, my name is Ayush Goel. I am an officer at Indian Oil Corporation Limited. I went to IIT Bombay for pursuing MTech Computer Science, and before that I have done BTech Computer Science from Delhi University. I studied 11th and 12th maths from Sanjeev sir, and I was able to score 98 marks in mathematics. It was a wonderful experience to learn in a Sanjeev sir class. The best thing was that you will find a very competitive environment in the class where you can learn as much as you can. So you don't have to cram anything like the formulas of trigonometry or anything else because he explains the logic behind everything that makes it very easier for the students to learn and then solve you know, many advanced problems on that. Even the class helped me to crack many competitive exams in mathematics, like it was my favorite subject, and I practiced everything that was provided by Sanjeev sir, like the notes and assignments provided by Skyline, and more than enough for anything. Like there is hardly any concept or question that comes out of the notes. So if you are able to complete the practice questions of notes and assignment, that is enough to score, above 9500 marks in your mathematics exam. So it was also our key strategy to do everything that is provided by him, and that resulted, to score very good in my board exams. So that was the time when he laid the foundation of our mathematics classes, and that helped us a lot, not even in 11 12, but after that in my graduation, post graduation, and till now as well. The problem solving skills that you learn in his class will help you all over in your life, not just in the subject or a written examination. So at the end, I would like to thank Sanjeev sir for everything, for me enabling us to score that much in exam, and now we are leading a successful life. Thank you so much.